Hello and welcome to the NEC in Birmingham for the Smart Home Show 2008. Hi, this time I'm with Andrew from Schneider Electric, and we're on the C-Bus part of the exhibition stand. C-Bus has been a long-time favourite of our readers of Automated Home. Andrew, you have a new black and white touchscreen to see at the show. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, it's a much improved product from the monochrome touchscreen. Larger screen, better contrast ratio. You can have it with or without a pack. So you've got logic,
so you've logic
without the unit. Programming the unit is a lot easier now, whereas before you used to have to take the unit off the wall to program it. You've got the USB interface on the front end, so no more removing the unit from the wall, programming it and putting it back.
Surround off just to program.
Yeah.
Did I read somewhere as well that it can be powered over Cat5 this time?
Yes, this particular unit is powered on over the C-Bus network, so there's no need for an external power supply on there.
Okay, I noticed you have a blind menu on the new black and white touchscreen as well. Andrew, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, all we're doing here is we're operating a blind control. So we've got the blind on there, and we're operating a normal standard blind. Currently, we don't have a blind control relay within our offer. However, this will be changing within the next 6 months. So we'll be bringing out a dedicated blind control relay for the C-Bus product.
Okay, and that'll do awnings and blinds and
yes,
all
it'll do awnings, blinds, anything of that nature.
Okay. Any other new products you can tell us about?
Well, I don't really want to reveal a lot, but we have got some thermostats coming out very, very soon. So that will be able to allow you to control different zones within the room in a number of colours, relayed and non-relayed control for not only residential but commercial use as well.
Okay, so this is really a first for C-Bus to be into the heating controls?
Yes, we've done integration with heating before, but we've really done it using RS232.
On a third party?
Through third-party interfaces. Now we're using a dedicated thermostat control for C-Bus.
Okay, and presumably we're going to have logic then? We're going to have, if it's dark and PIR's on, ramp up the heat?
You'll have all of those controls within the programming of the thermostat unit.
I've heard from some integrators at the show talk of some other new products. Is there anything else? I understand you can't comment on some things, but we've heard about let me see, a universal dimmer possibly, and some scene control for E2000?
Right, not at the moment. There's talk about having sync control with the E2000, but there's no dates whatsoever. It's unlikely to be this year for sync control. With regards to the universal dimmer, we're hoping that could be launched within the UK pretty soon. There was a slight technical hitch that we couldn't release it in the UK. So we're expecting that to be changed within the next 6 months to a year's time.
I know you like to tease us with all these new ones coming out. Did I see some audio controls there as well for C-Bus audio?
Yes, we've got our C-Bus audio running on our touchscreen as well. This has been, as you would know, the touchscreen comes completely blank. So we've got somebody program this up. It's running through our matrix switcher, so you can select the source through the matrix switcher using the colour touchscreen. But this is also possible through the DLT as well.
Okay.
So the great thing with the multi-room audio is it updates the label on the DLT. So here you've got a radio, press your source, it'll update within a couple of seconds of the source that you're controlling. So it's great for a single room. You don't have multiple plates on the room. You just have that single room and controlling the audio.
Okay, what sort of control do you have over graphics on the new screen?
You have a higher contrast ratio. There's a wider screen.
Can we design our own graphics?
Yes, it's completely customized. It comes as a blank canvas. You make it as pretty as you can make it, to be honest, with that particular unit.
Okay. And for those that don't know, where can we find you on the web then, Andrew?
Well, you can go through to the Schneider website, www.schneider-electric.co.uk /smart homes.
Lovely.
Okay,
Thanks, Andrew.
No problem.